Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. This is bullet journal setup for January 2021. As you can see, I'm using ocean or wave theme. Let's start. I have sketched my wave before using pencil, so it's easier to draw now. The picture that I draw is inspired from the painter. I forgot the creator, but it's such a beautiful drawing, so I really wanted to draw such things. Moreover, I'm living in Wakatobi. You know, this is the island. We have sea transportation, and I sometimes use the sea transportation and face some waves. Now I'm adding some reefs along the boxes of the dates. Okay, the next page, because it is really showing the picture before, so I glue some papers on the surface and write some quotes there. Okay, while waiting the glue to dry out, so I draw some boxes there for my weekly spread and draw a crab there. And this is my quote for this month: be braver to sit on your goal. Why? Because the more mature we get, so the more things that we are concerned of, and we have to be brave to take actions on every single problems that we got. Okay, for the next page, I draw steering wheel with some flower ornaments there. So this is maybe just like a door to open up the next page about what to do for my habit tracker or gratitude log, etc. On this page, I glue down brown paper to be the place for my to buy things, to-do list, money management such as income and expenses. And the next page, I draw my content, schedule, and ideas for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So this is how it looks. Okay, it seems like other bullet journal, I think. And then I glue down another 4 boxes from a paper for my tracker. And in the next page, I draw the boxes for my gratitude list, and a jar for my mood tracker for this January 2021. Okay, I think that's all about my setup, and this is the final look or result of my bullet journal. Cover page of January, quotes and weekly spread, and then the next page is my picture there because I saw it was empty, and then the steering wheel, my to buy, to do, income and expenses list, content schedule and ideas, and the last is habit tracker, gratitude list and mood tracker. Thanks for watching. See you the next time. I love you.